Matches, it's your boy Saqi, and today we'll be looking at Blondie. Unfortunately, Debbie Ryan couldn't be here today, so we'll be sticking with the baked kind. On this channel, we don't muck with basic, so let's pimp out our Blondies with chocolate chip cookies. But let's double up with double choc chip, because a little bit of brown will never make you frown. They say two's company, well let's make it a crowd with our cookie butter and chocolate hazelnut spread. So to begin with, we'll brown our butter on the hob on a low to medium heat. To brown butter means to, well, make it brown. It'll go a beautiful brown colour and it'll give this amazing nutty aroma. The nutty aroma will take our flavour from cute to gorgeous. Remember to keep stirring so it doesn't catch and burn at the bottom. Blondes do have more fun. Brunettes where it's at. So we're going to give our butter about 20 minutes to cool down. So you go have a mutter whilst we wait for our butter. Welcome back. How was your mutter? She did what? So now that our brown butter is cool, we'll add it to our brown sugar and we'll mix the two until they're combined. Remember, all the quantities can be found in the description box below. So now that our mixture looks something like this, I'm now going to add our eggs and vanilla. And now I'm going to whisk it until it's nice, smooth and combined. Now it's time to add our dry ingredients. Our dry ingredients include plain flour, baking powder and salt. Salt, I hear you say. Yes, salt. It elevates the flavours. No need to be veruca salty about it. It's time to fold our ingredients together. Want to do a gentle fold. Careful not to overmix because we don't want a tough cookie in this case. Now we're going to chip in by adding our chocolate chips. And gently fold them in. So now I'm going to transfer my mixture to my square 8-inch pan using my spatula. Gently transfer it, and using your spatula you want to even it so you get a nice smooth finish and it's level. For the swirl, we'll be dolloping our spread onto the Blondie mixture. We'll then use the skewer to swirl it through. It's time to pimp our batch by adding cookies. Make it rain, make it rain. Make it rain, make it rain. Now it's time to bake this bad batch in the oven. You want to put it at 170°C for 30 to 35 minutes. You know it's ready when you put a skewer in and it comes out a little wet. You want it to be a little wet because it will give it that excellent gooey, fudgy consistency and that chew. The blondies are out and they've been cooling for 30 minutes. I'm going to use a knife to cut these into 9 pieces. Ideally you could have one big blondie to yourself, but I have to share, so I'll be cutting them. And there you have it, my lauded cookie blondie. If you're cuckoo about these cookie blondies, give them a go. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.